Hi there. This screencast is to show you how to navigate the Greek Society activity number 2 in Discovery Textbook, Exploring Historical Perspectives. Once you log on to Discovery Textbook, you want to make sure that you're in World History and 9.2 Greek Political Systems, and that you click on Elaborate. Then you'll go down to Activity 2, Greek Society. From here, you just click on it. And it does take a minute to load your content. Your mission is to get to know 4 individuals from ancient Greek society and explore the different perspectives you think each would have on key issues of the day. We worked a lot on perspectives in our comparative religions unit. Remember that perspective is what other people think and their point of view, as well as your own. You can have this read to you.
Let's journey back to Greece.
Or you can read it yourself, but please don't skip this page, and this gives you a little background on ancient Greece in the introduction. Then you click down here, the individuals, and once you click on one of them, again, you can have it read to you or you can read it yourself. It tells you all about this person. Once you read about all 4, then you can click on the bottom here and click on Explore Perspectives. You're going to pick one of the issues. Read all 3, but pick one of the issues to explore. So say that you want to click on this one. Should all members of society be allowed to vote? Once you click on it, what you're going to do is answer not how you would answer the question, but based on what you know about what an artisan would do, about a Spartan woman, a warrior, or a slave. How do you think that person would answer that question? So again, it's not how you would answer it, it's how they would answer it. You're applying your knowledge. Do you think yes? Are they neutral? No. And then you have to put your explanation why. Once you do all 4, you can click here on this button to view historically likely perspectives to compare your answers. This is Discovery Textbook's answers and what they think are most likely historically true, and you can compare. Then, if time allows, you can go back and do the same with another issue. And then the summary would be here once you answer all the questions. So again, this is not something that I'm grading. However, this learning is all building up to applying your knowledge. And when you have the debate on Monday of the Greek governments and the differences between Athens and Sparta, all of this knowledge will help you, and that debate is assessed.